Welcome to my channel, Follow Wendy. Today we are going to see beautiful parks available in Taipei. This is not so big, but I can show you, you will definitely enjoy this video for sure. Let's see what are all the facilities and what are all the equipments you can see in these parks and how you can use them and how the government is taking care of these parks in detail in the video. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Without any further delay, let's get into the video. Okay, we are now entering into the first park. You can see the path here. You can see a lot of grass, green plants. People can come and enjoy on this green grass, do some exercises, and this is absolutely free for public. They have many equipments like this. They can come and jog, walk. You can see these equipments are placed here in the park for adults. You can see this is one of the abdomen exercise we do regularly. And also you can see another one which is helpful for hands. They just twist this wheel just like a wheel and do some hand exercises. Let's move inside the park now. You can see this green grass. Just feel how cool it is. You feel so relaxed when you see this green grass. It's so cool and kids are playing. Just your mind get refreshes here. See the safety of the swings also here. Kids can tightly hold that. And this is one kind of a swing you can see. This is another type of swing you can see. Kids can keep their legs inside and push towards the handle and tightly hold that. Let's move inside the center part of the park. So this is the center of the park. You can see another swings here. So you can see there are so many swings here within this circle. And also you can just observe this one. This is soft floor mats, we can have it in our homes, interlocking kind of thing. This will be taken care by the government if anything is spoiled or something repaired. So if the public has informed the government, it will immediately take an action to replace this or repair this. Let us see the giant slider here. Wow, kids will really enjoy this slider. So this is made of cement. So kids are playing here. You can see this giant one, and kids love to enjoy this park, especially on weekends. You can see it was crowded on the weekends mostly. They come in the morning and will enjoy till the lunch. Some people I have seen, they have their lunch also here doing with their family. And you can see a lot of seesaw. You can even see some cute cushions for seaters for the kids also. How cute it is. See, you can see a lot of options. This girl is climbing here through the slider, and even parents will love to enjoy with their kids on this slider. How beautiful. We can just relax here on the weekends, and I have seen people are coming on daily basis also, on the weekdays, weekends, almost every day. Now let's go to the climbing section. On the other side of that ladder, you can see some of the climbing steps. People can just climb on this grass with this little footsteps. This is a perfect place for them to do some exercise, run, jog, or play, whatever they can do. On the other side, you can see other games over here. Let's go near to that. You can see it's kind of web. Kids can just climb with the help of these ropes and reach onto the top without falling it. So you can see other swings also, just like seesaw. Just observe another thing here. They have place this taps in near to the sand. Like once they have finished playing, they can just wash their hands and legs here. You can see that girl is just walking there. You can see tap are placed everywhere, and you can even see the details of the park in the board, and you can see even the dustbins are placed to keep the cleanliness of the park. You can see almost at every corner of the place like a taps are placed here, and some seat is available. And these are the public toilets, kept very clean. You feel so relaxed when you come to the park and see the greenery, and when you talk to others, you meet friends. Like kids will be playing, and you do some exercises. Like at least like in a weekends, if you do exercise for an hour or something, which is good for your physical health and your mental ability also. And you see like these parks are placed within an half kilometer, I can say. Like I have 3 parks within 1.5 kilometer to 2 kilometers. I have 3 parks near to my home. So this is one of the biggest park. I'm very much impressed on this, like how government is taking care of all these parks. So you can see like you no need to pay for the gym and do some exercise. You can just come over here and jog and do some exercises with the equipments which government has provided for the public for free usage. Okay, let's go for the another park. You can see little variations for each park based upon the area and the place also. So this is another park. You can see it has jogging track like round the park. People will be doing running, jogging here, and almost like for medium-sized parks, you can see a lot of exercise equipments here, and also like medium-sized sliders also placed here. It's not a big one, and also you can see the floor mats kept here, not to hurt the kids. So they can come and do some of the exercises here, and they can play as they wish. And you can see some of the seating chairs here. Couples also can come and enjoy here. This is another park. We are going to see the third and final one, which is again near to my home. In the evening time, public can come with the little groups, and they can come and dance here. This is some kind of exercise, and Zumba dance is so popular here in Taipei. I have seen many times. Just see these cute little ducks here. So kids will really enjoy this place. When you come for shopping, at least they will relax for some time. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon if you forget to do that, and see you in next video.